An everyday life of a Latvian is very strongly regulated by ancient knowledge. Shut up. Even if we sometimes tend to forget about it. Don't gift sharp objects to somebody. Don't bring anything home from the cemetery. When you go to the cemetery, bring only even number of flowers. Don't spill salt. Don't break mirror. Don't cross paths with black cat. Don't brag about things because somebody will put an evil eye on it. And of course, the mothership of all Latvian knowledge, shit will be anyway. Some people say that those are just superstitions, but they are superstitions only if they don't work. But these things do work. Let me show you an example. Last December I made a video about one of the greatest cars Latvian can drive, an Audi 80. And obviously somebody got very jealous and put an evil eye on it. Because here we are, 8 months later, and what do you know? I have a crack in my headlight, okay? This one, don't pay attention, I did it myself with the shovel, it was not, doesn't matter. But this one was not here before. How do you explain this? This car is 33 years old. I drive it on a gravel road every day and was perfectly fine all the time. And now, I'm telling you, you can't win. Shit will be anyway.